let's talk about treatment. In the spring, the district installed what's called harm reduction vending machines to help out. They dispense items like NARCAN and fentanyl test strips. We wanted to find out if they've been effective. So Jess Arnold has been looking into this for us. She joins us now live outside of one of those vending machines on Minnesota Avenue in Northeast. Jess, has this community been using this new item?
Yeah, DC Health said that since May, since they introduced this, that they've seen more than 2,300 products vended from these machines. And the groups that they're working with say they only want to expand this program. Okay.
The opioid crisis in D.C. is not calming down. D.C. Health reports 192 opioid fatalities this year, with almost all of them involving fentanyl.
It's not one thing that's going to change the trajectory of the opioid epidemic, but it's the combination of things that will do that.
One of the newer tools D.C. is using are these harm reduction vending machines, open 24/7. Family and Medical Counseling Service, Inc., for which Angela Fullwood Wood is the COO, runs 4 of them.
Right now in the machines, we have NARCAN, fentanyl test strips, wound care kits, male and female condoms, some basic first aid, hygiene kits, and rapid COVID test kit. The key thing is to kind of watch how people utilize and then look at whether or not things need to shift around to be able to get the products out in the community where they are needed.
Here are where the 7 vending machines are installed and how many products DC Health says have been dispensed from each one. You can see that the one on Atlantic Street Southeast and this one at the HIPS building saw the most usage, though the HIPS one was recently moved to Bread for the City in Southeast. In total, DC Health reports 2,387 products dispensed since May. Wood says NARCAN and fentanyl test strips have been the most popular.
It's the low barrier access that we think is the key to the harm reduction vending machine. I don't have to jump through a whole bunch of hoops to gain access. I can just go to the machine privately and anonymously and dispense what I would like.
An indispensable tool in this ongoing fight.
All right, so let's talk you through how this works. You show up 24/7 to one of these machines, you dial the number that is on that. When you answer it, it's actually going to give you a code that you can put in here, and then you're going to choose which product you want. Maybe it's the NARCAN, maybe it's one of the fentanyl test strips. You'll get it right out, and then they said that you can actually have them save your number for future use for any time that you want to come back here. So really cool program that clearly the community is taking advantage of. Guys.
Jess Arnold, thank you so much for that.